Good morning, fam. If you're looking to start your day with a spring in your step, this quick 5-minute routine is just what you need. We're focusing on your calves, ankles, and feet. Those hard-working muscles that keep you moving all day. Let's wake them up, loosen them up, and get ready to take on the day. Let's get it, fam. We're going to start with downward dog. From all fours, tuck your toes, lift your hips toward the sky, and press your heels into the ground. Feel that stretch along the back of your legs, especially in your calves. If your heels don't reach the floor, don't worry. Just keep pressing them down with each breath. Inhale as you lift up your hips a little higher, and exhale as you press those heels closer to the ground. Now let's pedal out our feet. Bend one knee at a time and press the opposite heel deeper into the mat. This helps wake up your calves even more. Picture all that tightness from the night loosening up as you breathe. Hold here for a few more deep breaths, really focusing on lengthening your legs and stretching out those calves. Now come up to standing and step one foot back into a standing calf stretch. Place your hands on a wall or chair for support. Keep the back leg straight, press the heel into the floor, and feel the stretch run up from your calf. Your calves do so much work all day long, and this stretch is exactly what you need to feel refreshed. Hold here for a few breaths, and with each exhale, try to sink a little deeper into the stretch. Switch legs. Step the other foot back, press the heel down, and feel that lengthening in your calf muscle. It's like you're prepping your legs for a day of movement. A few more deep breaths here, and let your calves release all the tension they're holding. Next, let's loosen up the feet with some toe taps. You can either sit or stand for this one. Start tapping your toes on the ground or in the air. You're waking up those little muscles in your feet that tend to stiffen up overnight. It's like a mini wake-up call for your ankles and toes. As you tap, imagine you increasing the blood flow to your feet, bringing them back to life after a night of rest. Keep tapping for a few more seconds and feel your feet becoming more awake with every tap. We're going to work on mobility with some ankle circles. Start rotating your ankle in big circles. Think of this as greasing the joints, releasing any stiffness that's built up in your ankles. Rotate clockwise for a few seconds, then reverse. Notice how with each circle, your ankle feels a little more mobile, a little looser. Now switch the other foot, rotating the ankle in one direction, then the other. Let your feet and ankles move freely, loosening up any stiffness. This is your foundation, and we're making sure it's strong and flexible for the day ahead. And there it is, fam. In just 5 minutes, we've stretched, loosened, and woken up your calves, feet, and ankles. These stretches are perfect for getting you grounded and ready for the day ahead. Save this routine and come back to it any morning you need to give your legs a little extra love. Let's go crush the day one step at a time. Let's go, fam!